Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The question is given now. Solve in real numbers the system of equation 3x plus y into x plus 3y root of xy equal to 14. X plus y into x square plus 14xy plus y square is equal to 36. Okay, here like this Olympiad logical, critical, and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel and so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So here we are going to start the problem here. Pause the video for 10 seconds and see. So here let root x is equal to u and root y is equal to v. Then the equations become here. Equations, so here we will get 3u 3u plus v 3u plus v into 3u square plus v into u plus 3v square into root of here no root u and v u into v is equal to 14. So second equation, if you multiply this equation you will get uv common 3 u power 4 plus 10 u square v square plus 3 v power 4 is equal to 14. This is the first equation. Now if you take the second equation, if you multiply here, you will get u power 6 plus 15 u power 4 v square plus 15 u power 2 v power 4 plus v to the power of 6 is equal to 36. This is the second equation. Now how to solve these equations? So this is only the logic here you are having. This step is very important now. So here by binomial expansion you have to do the solving these two. Second one minus second one plus 2 times of first one. Second one plus 2 times of first one you have to add. So you are getting the equation. So first equation will be 36 plus 2 into 14 is equal to u6 plus 6 u power 5 v plus 15 u power 4 v square plus 20 u power 3 v power 3 plus 15 15 u square v plus 6u v power 5 plus v power 6. So in the same way, second one minus 2 into first one. Second one minus 2 into first one. So here we will get v power 6 u power 6 plus 6 u power 5 v plus 15 u power 4 v square plus 20 u power 3 v cube plus 15 u square v power 4 minus 6 u v power 5 plus v power 6. So here by binomial expansion RHS will become u plus v whole power 6 u plus v whole power 6 u plus v whole power 6 is equal to 36 plus 28. 36 plus 28 will get 64. Now the second one, what will get here? U minus v whole to the power of 6 is equal to 36 minus 28 will get 8. From this you will get u plus v is equal to 2 and u minus v is equal to plus or minus root 2. So adding this to on adding this to u we get cancel. U is equal to 2 plus or minus root 2. So here taking 2 common, u is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 by root 2. 1 plus or minus 1 by root 2. V is equal to 1 minus plus 1 by root 2. So here x is equal to u square. That is 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. X is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So here y is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Y is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. So here squaring on both squaring we'll get x and y values. So here x value will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by root 2. X value will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by root 2. Y value will be 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 2. So x value is 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2 plus or minus root 2. Y is equal to 3 by 2 minus plus root 2. So here you are getting x and y values. X and y values 3 by 2 plus root 2, comma 3 by 2 minus root 2, that is one pair. The second pair 3 by 2 minus root 2, comma 3 by 2 plus root 2. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.